Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm gonna go to my local garden center because there is a section in the garden that feels a bit empty at the moment, and I know it's spring, plants, perennials are all gonna emerge in the next couple of weeks, but I think regardless, it needs a little bit of height, so at least one shrub or maybe a small tree would be perfect for this area. And yeah, I will first of all show you the area in the garden, and then you will join me in the garden center, and also I will show you how I plant the shrubs later on. This is the location that we want to plant. So you see this free space over here. There are some smaller perennials that are gonna turn up in the next couple of weeks now that it's getting warmer, but it needs a little bit of a bigger structure. So we have the big magnolia, the glorious magnolia tree in the back, which looks stunning. Then we have a rose over here, a rose over there, another taller rose over here. Yeah, this shrub, we're not really sure if it's gonna survive. There's a little bit of new growth, but not entirely sure. So that, yeah, we need something to, if it doesn't make it, we need something either way over here. And we have an apple tree that it looks a little bit crooked, but makes delicious apples on the right hand side. Yeah, so let's see what we can find in the garden center. And we are back. We got 3 shrubs in the end, and a few perennials here and there, some annuals as well. Yeah, quite excited about these shrubs. Very beautiful. Can't wait to see what they're gonna look like and how they're gonna perform in the next couple of months. Let me show you what we got. The first shrub that I'm gonna talk about is this Cornus Kousa Chinensis, China girl. Look at these blooms. Very architectural, beautiful shape, and yeah, quite a simple white tone, which I think is gonna be quite good for this area of the garden, because we have roses with very strong, vibrant color over here. So I think, yeah, maybe a softer white shrub is gonna be very good. Let's look at some of the details. So it blooms white, pink in June. It grows, oh wow, up to 7 meters tall and has a width of 2 to 3 meters. So quite a big shrub. Definitely to size control it. And yeah, it needs like sun to half shade, so that's good. And it produces fruit, red fruit. The next shrub, the one that I'm probably most excited about, is this beautiful specimen. But wait until you see the blooms. Aren't they gorgeous? So this is a Euonymus Europaeus. It has orange red leaves in autumn, and it's again full sun to half shade, blooms in May to June, and yeah, pollinator friendly, very good, and it grows 2 to 3 meters tall. And I believe this is the perfect area for the shrub because we have a white clematis over here. So I think the white clematis with the pink blooms of the Euonymus would be really good, and especially when we have like the red-orange autumn foliage combined with the rusty look of this structure. I think it's going to be beautiful. The final shrub is this Sea Buckthorn shrub. This is a Frugana, and look at these orange berries. I mean, they're oftentimes used, especially in Eastern Europe and Russia, for teas. Very delicious. You should try it. So this is a Frugana. It requires sun to part shade. We can see these berries like in August, September, and yeah, pretty excited about this one. And we can see some leaves now appearing here on the branches. We're not entirely sure where to place it yet, because we're thinking of getting rid of this hazelnut tree, and I mean, it's not the most beautiful area of the garden because we have compost over there and just like remains of some gardening projects. But I think this might be a cute area, gives it some orange interest. But I think we first of all have to get rid of this hazelnut tree before we do this. So I probably will plant this shrub a little bit later on. But let's plant the other shrubs first. So 2 of the shrubs are planted. We have the Cornus Kousa over here. I think it's gonna be beautiful, surrounded by the roses. And I hope it is relatively straight. Yeah, but it looks like it. And let's walk to the other shrub, which is right over here. So at the moment, yeah, it might look a little bit busy with the other hazelnut here, but at some point we will thin this hazelnut out, and then I think it's gonna look much better overall. Yeah, I'm generally happy with the location of these shrubs. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.